Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious rolled potatoes. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, like russets, along with some butter, milk, salt, and pepper. Having everything at room temperature is a small but important step for achieving that perfectly smooth and creamy texture we're aiming for. Next, let's prepare our potatoes. Peel and cut your 2 pounds of potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Boil them in salted water for about 15 minutes or until they are perfectly fork tender. After draining them completely, return them to the warm pot. Now, mash them until they are wonderfully smooth, ensuring no lumps remain for that ideal consistency. Now for the flavor, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 1/2 cup of warm milk to your mashed potatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your potatoes gummy. Finally, roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, ready for baking. Our final step is baking. Arrange your rolled potato balls on a baking sheet. For an extra touch of richness, brush each one lightly with a bit more melted butter. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Serve these warm, delightful rolled potatoes right away and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.